Okay. What is this? I hate this. €1,000. Oh my goodness. Atrocious. Hello, how are you? I'm fantastic. I'm very excited because I haven't filmed in a full week. And that's not normal for me because I at least film one every week. But life has been busy. I was supposed to film this yesterday, but I got hired for another project and I had to invest my time in that. But I'm here this evening and I thought I'd sit down and film this video because I'm not going to lie, I have been putting it off and I feel like I'm using everything else as an excuse not to film it. Because also when you haven't filmed in a while, and a week is a while for me, it's nerve-wracking to come back and sit in front of a camera and chat for about 45 minutes. So basically, today I'm going to continue on my little series I'm doing where I'm picking out the best and worst items from shops. But today I thought I'd try Amazon, because I recently discovered the home section in Amazon and what a rarity it is. And also there's another one. Ooh. No, I'll do the other one another time, but we're going to do Amazon today. But there's also Etsy. I don't know if you've heard of Etsy. Really cute. And I've gotten a few pieces from it. So I might do a best and worst items in Etsy as well. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Also, if you have any recommendations for any other shops, also let me know, because I'd love to hear them. I'd love to kind of give you what you want. Also, guys, Instagram has been a lot more interactive than YouTube, so I've gotten some fantastic ideas off anyone who's following me over there and interacted with me over there. I posted up a question box and I have a really fun little mini series planned for that. So why do I keep talking? Okay, so anyway, you're here to see the best and worst items in Amazon, not hear me yap and yawn about my other video plans. So without further ado, let's just jump into this. Okay, is that too white? Listen, if it is, I apologize, okay? The camera really is just giving me trouble today. It's not one to participate, but it's fine. We'll survive. Okay, so we're in Amazon, and I mean, honestly, like, I haven't been to Amazon in a minute, so I'm kind of excited. Like, look at all the stuff you can get. Oh my goodness. Really good curtain pole. Okay, home essentials. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is cute. Okay. Just ignore my outfit today. This isn't very high fashion or very put together, I know, but this is my new obsession. I love this cardigan from Weekday. I got it like last year, like end of last year, and I never worn it because it's kind of a bit cropped, but it's not cropped. It's like just finishes just at the hip line, which I really like, and it's like when I'm working at home outfit. It's comfortable, but anyway, you don't care about that. So anyway, let's just go back to the video. Okay, so we're getting a lot of cookware. Amazon, see, I don't like the shape of the bottom of these. No, there's none here that are giving it what I'm looking for. What is this? Amazon Basics 40-litre black flower shopping trolley. Shoot me. If you ever see me walking into Tesco or Dunnes or Aldi or Lidl with one of them. No, thank you. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. I want like cool furniture, like the table at the top. Also, if I'm sniffling, I do apologize. I'm just exhausted. Kim, I'm working as hard as I can. Okay, I'm working as hard as I can, Kim.
Get your fucking ass up and work.
These are very popular chairs, actually. This kind of with the cutout at the back. I hate this. I just don't like how it swoops up, if that makes sense. I think I prefer it if it was almost like raised here more and then went up. Like, I don't like how it looks very, like it's gonna fall back, if that makes sense. It doesn't look proportioned properly. And these aren't armchairs, these are dining chairs. Oh yeah, nice little basic desks and stuff. Okay, that must be it. Okay. Home. No. Oh, okay, home. Okay. Hangers, baskets. Okay, I need to search. Let me see. Furniture. What is Furniture 24? What? Is this like a niche interest? These crate boxes, which I absolutely hate at the moment anyway. That is absolutely atrocious. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh no. That's really confusing. Like from this angle it looks like it's an actual sphere. But then when it's in, it's like, no, it's just really ugly. Go with a simple round table. You don't need this metal spheres underneath it. Like, just no, it's not cute. It's not cute. It's not the vibe. What? Like, Amazon, I'm sure I saw some really cool furniture like literally a couple of days ago. What's this? Oh, this is kind of cute. Wait on. No, it's not for the chair. It's for whatever. I don't know what it's for, to be honest. This is probably a bad idea. Was this a bad idea to look at Amazon for furniture? I saw furniture though. Let me see. Coffee tables. Okay, here we go. We're making some progress. Okay. Finally, this is what I'm looking for. Some actual interesting pieces. That's interesting. It's very plain. That's awful. I hate that. See, I have a very specific taste, I think. I just don't like things that are too common. I feel like I've seen all of these in at least one home in the past like month. And that's not even an exaggeration. Like, this is nice. It's always going to be in style. It's simple, it's round, it has a bit of mid-century element, but it's also, you know, very plain. I mean, I think I prefer it without the table in the middle, and if it was a bit lower down and a bit bigger. This is cute. See, I just don't know what the quality is going to be like. That's the thing, so I can't really recommend anything off here for you if I haven't bought it myself and tried it myself. But I mean, it looks cute. Here we go. This is a fairly popular style couch at the moment. It comes in the grey and pink. Oh, the pink is very cute. This is a winner for me, I think. Add to list. Okay, well, no. Okay, well then, fuck you. Oh, no. I got excited there for a second, but we got snapped back to reality real quick. This is probably the ugliest style of couch you could ever buy. These bars wrapping around the front is just an immediate no. Like, I just think that's absolutely atrocious. It's so like, ugh, like trying to be €1,000. Oh my goodness, that is ridiculous. I hate that. Okay, so my battery just coming off there, which is fine. I won't hold a grudge, and my camera's probably tired after its first day back in a week. But that's not true. I've been vlogging, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, guys, that was Amazon. To be honest, I'm not that impressed. I will have another look into it and see if I can see anything else, but nothing really jumped at me. Oh, that's actually pretty. Thank you so much for watching this. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any recommendations for Amazon. I'm excited for the next few shops I'm going to be looking in because I know them well and I've looked at them a lot, so I know there's cool pieces in there and I might show you some cool pieces as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.